Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It's this tube. Today we're gonna be checking out an RC car. This is the Arrma Vendetta. This car came out about 2 or 3 years ago. I believe I did a review on it a while back, but I just want to go back and show you guys a little bit about it. So this is a 3S RC basher, and it's ready to run. It has a brushless motor system, 1/8 scale, 4-wheel drive. Let me show you a little bit here on the box. It's very nice. I always been into Traxxas cars, but the Arrma, it's really good product. One of my other favorites is the Felony. It's an awesome car. So this Vendetta's been run about 2 or 3 times. I like to run them like in a flat, smooth, like parking lot surface. And here's this radio is awesome because it has like your battery indicator. So you could adjust, you could do 50%, 75, or 100. I like it because it actually gives you the battery level of the RC car. So this is a really great RC controller. But I've hit like the wall, I think. I hit something one time. It's a little scratched there, but I've taken good care of it. It's a really awesome RC car. I'm not sure what the price is going for them right now, but you could check it out on the Horizon website. But I really recommend this RC car. My number one choice is the Arrma Felony. It's a 6S. It's super fast. Well, let me know what you think about the Arrma Vendetta. I'm actually selling this one today. Somebody's picking it up, but it's a really awesome car. I recommend it. Arrma, they make awesome RC cars. They use the Spectrum electronics like speed control. It's really awesome. Well, thank you for watching. Subscribe and like, and catch me on my next video.